this video we will talk about the mean and variance. In probability and statistics, the mean or expected value, generally denoted by expectation of x, is a measure of the central tendency. Usually there are three measures of central tendency: mean, mode and median. Mode is basically most frequent observation and median is the central observation, where the number of observation below and above this observation will be same, and the third one is the mean. Mean is basically we are taking the sum of all the observation and dividing by the total number of observation. But in probability the concept is same, but it is defined in slightly different manner. The mean is equal to the sum of every possible value weighted by the probability of that value. So we can write like this: summation of xi multiplied by their probability. So in the earlier example, our x was taking two values 1 and 0, and their probability was 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So we can find the mean or expected value of this x by putting these values in this equation: 1 into 1 by 2 plus 0 into 1 by 2. So we will get 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is basically the expected value of this random variable. It is often represented by mu in case of population. I mean, if we are considering the whole population, we will represent that by mu, or x bar if we are considering only a sample out of the total population, or we can simply write expected value of x. So far we have discussed about the mean. Now let us talk about the variance of x. In probability and statistics, variance is the expectation of the squared deviation of a random variable from its mean. Basically we can write like this: or in terms of summation we can write like this: finding the variance of our earlier random variable. Our random variable was xi that takes two values 1 and 0 with the probability 1 by 2 for both. Putting these values into this equation we can get 1 minus, we know already the expectation of x, that is 1 by 2 square, into the probability of 1, that is 1 by 2, plus the second value of x, that is 0, minus 1 by 2 square into the probability of 0, that is 1 by 2. So we will get here 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 into 1 by 2. So 1 by 4 is the variance of our random variable. This can be done in another way also. We can expand this equation. We can write like this: expectation of x square minus 2x expectation of x plus expectation of x square. Taking the expectation inside, we can write like this: expectation of x square minus, we can write this like then expectation of x whole square. Now we can deduct this from this, so we will get, so this is the final formula for variance of x. We can find the variance of our random variable through this equation. For example, our x was 1 and 0, then x square will be 1 and 0 again. The probability of x is 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So expectation of x square will be summation of xi square into pi. So 1 into 1 by 2 plus 0 into 1 by 2 again we will get 1 by 2. Putting this value into this equation, so this is the variance of our random variable. The same answer we got here as well. So this is the simple formula for finding the variance of x. As we discussed earlier, variance is denoted by sigma square in terms of population and S square in terms of sample, and simply we are denoting variance by variance of x. If we take the root of the variance, we will get the standard deviation. It is denoted by sigma or S respectively. So far in this video we discussed about the mean and variance. In the coming video we will discuss about the skewness and kurtosis.